Good day everyone. Today's video is we're going to dismantle and assemble this 1000 series by Roy from UPro. Okay, so first we're going to prepare our tools, and of course we will have a timer so that we will know the time duration during the assemble and dismantle. Okay, so let's start. Let's get our tools. I have here a toothbrush from my grandpa, Lapu-Lapu, a paintbrush from Leonardo da Vinci, and also this brow brush from Mona Lisa. Okay. So first thing to do is to remove this power handle. After we remove the power handle, we will remove the drag adjuster so we can pull out the line spool. Okay, so remove the line spool, and there's a small nut in this area, so we're going to remove it using a wrench. Okay, so after we remove that, we can pull out now the line spooler. Okay, so guys, as you see, for now we're going to remove the small screw from the body. Everything we'll remove. So time check, it is already 1 minute and 20 seconds. If you guys wonder what I'm watching a video of Osea jigger. So there's a review from Tackle Advisor, I think. I'm watching this. I'm planning to buy one of these if I have money. Guru. Actually, I really wish I can own an Osea jigger. That's on my wish list in fishing. But for now, I'm just enjoying watching this video, memorizing every details of this reel. But if happen you wanted to give an Osea jigger, well, thank you so much in advance. So as you see guys, there's a plate in this area, so it has a 3 screw, so we will also remove this. I think the purpose of this one is to hold the anti-reverse mechanism and also the bearing and the pinion gear. Okay, so now let's remove this cap for now. So we can remove now the pinion gear. So the pinion gear has a small bearing on top and washers. Okay, and this is the main shaft. So we'll remove the small spring for the anti-reverse. You should careful with this one. Okay, so it's okay now, and we'll remove this cover for the anti-reverse mechanism. Okay, and that's it. So that's the reverse mechanism, and this one is for the switch. Okay, so we will remove the cover, and ta-dang! So there's the drive gear. Okay, so remove the drive gear and the main shaft. Okay, and we're done. So that's it. We're able to dismantle this reel under 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So now we were going to start assemble this one. Okay, at the ready. Okay, so wait, let's start. And let's put all we remove together. So first the small gear, of course, and the main shaft, and make sure you put it in place. Okay, and everything will follow. Okay, I'm just gonna concentrate. So this is the very time-consuming part. Returning the mechanism for the anti-reverse switch. This one's always consume my time in assemble. Okay, you have to be very careful. So time check, it's already 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Hopefully we're able to assemble this reel under 10 minutes. Under 5 minutes. Hopefully. So guys, just continue watching so you will know. Time check, yeah, it's already 9 minutes, so we're not able to assemble this reel under 5 minutes, but anyway, it's okay. So let's just continue assemble this reel. So hopefully we're able to finish assemble and attach all the parts of this reel under maybe 12 minutes or before 12 minutes. Okay, hopefully. We're almost done. Just put back the line spoiler, or what do you guys call this one? Okay, so the small nut first. So time check is already 10 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, let's put this the clicker in this small washer, I think this plastic washer, and the cover for the other handle side. Okay, and the drag adjuster. So after we put all these parts together, we will try if this reel is functional. So time check, it's 11:25, so we're able to finish assemble and disassemble this reel under 11 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, so we complete the whole process, 11 minutes and 25 seconds, and 4 minutes and 10 seconds for this mantle. And for the assemble time, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not good in math. Okay, so we're going to check if the reel is function well. Okay, oh, smooth, even though without grease. Okay, the anti-reverse, we'll check. Oh, all right, it functioned properly. Okay, approve. All right, so we're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.